Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a Netflix account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is first of all access your browser for that purpose and type in netflix.com and access their official website. Simply go ahead and access their official website. You can see that we do have the option of simply signing in, right? So for that we're gonna simply tap on the sign up now in the bottom for us to create account. Right over here you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? Simply gonna go ahead and enter the email address of yours and tap on this option of get started. Upon doing that, it will simply provide you a notification which lets you know the option of setting up your Netflix account. But for me, I have already created an account, that's why it's asking for us to enter the password. Right over here you will so afterward, to create a new account, once you have entered the email, you will be asked to create a password for yourself. Go ahead, create a strong password, tap on next, and you will be asked to choose a plan for you. Once you have chosen a plan, paid for it, then you will be able to simply browse Netflix accordingly and make sure to save the password to your device itself. So the next time you simply go open up your Netflix app on your phone, tap on sign in, enter your email right over there, and you will be able to enter the password over there and tap on sign in, and you will be able to sign in correctly right there. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.